Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you the steps I take to clean my home after the fall season. This is the time when leaves, dust, and debris are all over the place, and it's essential to give your home a thorough cleaning. The first thing I do is start from the outside. I grab my rake and begin to gather all the fallen leaves in my yard. It's a bit of a workout, but it's also a great way to enjoy the crisp, cool weather. After I've taken care of the leaves, it's time to clean the windows. I use a homemade solution of vinegar and water to wipe them down. This not only removes the dirt, but also gives them a nice, clear shine. Next, I move to the inside of my house. I start with dusting everything from the ceiling fans to the bookshelves. I make sure to get into every nook and cranny because dust tends to accumulate in these hidden spots. Once the dusting is done, it's time for vacuuming. I vacuum all my carpets and rugs, making sure to go over each area multiple times. This helps to pick up any dust particles that have settled into the fibers. After vacuuming, I mop all the hard floors. I use a mild detergent mixed with warm water to ensure they are thoroughly clean. This step helps to remove any remaining dust or dirt that the vacuum may have missed. The final step in my cleaning process is to freshen up the air. I light some scented candles and open the windows to let in some fresh air. This not only makes my home smell great, but also helps to circulate the air. And there you have it. That's how I clean my home after the fall season. It may seem like a lot of work, but it's worth it to have a clean, dust-free home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more home cleaning tips.